What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Beats Solo Pros. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing you need to do is find the manual power button / noise cancellation button right here, and then you need to press down the volume down button on the controls on the side of the headphone. So this is your volume up, pause button, or the confirm button, and then the volume down. So what you do is you press these two, the volume down and the power button, at the same time. Now right now the light is blinking because it's trying to pair with my phone, but what we're going to do is press that down for a few seconds until you see that light turning red. So you're going to see it turning red in just a second. So see, it turns off, and now it's going to turn back on, blinking red. And then when we go to my phone right here, it's going to come up to see if we want to blink. Let me turn off my light so you can see better, and then press connect. And now, because you just reset it, it's going to ask you if you would like it to announce messages, etc. It's going to ask you for a couple of permissions because you did just factory reset your headphones. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have any more questions regarding how to reset your headphones, please leave a comment in the bottom of the video and I'll be sure to answer it. Thank you. Take care.